Today we've got something exciting in hand. The brand new AQUOS Wish 5 from Sharp. Yep, the real device is here. And trust me, this one's shaping up to be one of the most stylish entry-level phones of the year. First up, design and colors. The Wish 5 comes in not one, not two, but 5 unique colors. Misora, blue, Yuki, white, Nashiko, pink, Wakaba, greenish blue, and Sumi, black. Each has its own vibe, from cute and soft tones to bold and classic. Honestly, it's hard to pick a favorite. The phone itself has a matte finish back with a smooth, silky texture that feels great in hand. On the back, you get a single 50MP camera, and up front, a clean 6.6-inch flat LCD with a punch-hole selfie camera. Finally moving away from the old water drop notch. Much better, right? Spec-wise, the AQUOS Wish 5 packs a 5000 mAh battery, MediaTek, Dimensity 6300 chip, up to 128GB storage with microSD expansion, and a 120Hz refresh rate display. Super smooth for scrolling at this price point. Oh, and yes, it still has a 3.5mm headphone jack. Big win for wired headphone lovers. But here's the coolest new feature. A safety alert mode that can be triggered just by shaking the phone. It sets off an alarm, flashes the LED, and even sends your location via SMS. Perfect for emergencies. That's seriously useful. And don't worry, durability is covered too. It's IP65, IP68, and IP69 water and dust resistant, plus it has drop protection. Basically, this little guy can take a beating. All of this comes in at around $30,000, roughly $200, $250, which is crazy good value for what you're getting. So, what do you think? Which color would you pick? Drop your choice in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this first look at the AQUOS Wish 5, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more upcoming tech videos. See you in the next one!